Well, you know, I moved here because you know, well, I had to leave the States, but I picked Thailand because I always had a thing for Asian girls, you know. And when I got here, no, I was like a kid in a candy store. If you got money, no attachments, nothing to do, I started partying. Yeah. It got wild. Mm-hmm. I was picking up girls every night. Always different ones. Teeny ones, chubby ones, older ones, sometimes multiple ladies a night. I was out of control. I became insatiable. Yeah. And, you know, after about 1,000 nights like that, you start to lose it. I started wondering, where am I going with this? Why do I feel this need to fuck all these women? What is desire? The form of this cute Asian girl, why does it have such a grip on me? Because she's the opposite of me? Is she gonna complete me in some way? I realized I could fuck a million women, I'd still never be satisfied. Maybe what I really want is to be one of these Asian girls. Okay. You know? So, one night I took home some girl, turned out to be a lady boy, which I'd done before, but this time, instead of fucking the lady boy fucked me. Okay! And it was kind of magical. And I got in my head what I really wanted was to be one of these Asian girls, getting fucked by me, and to feel that. Okay. So I put out an ad looking for a white guy, my age, come over and fuck me. Okay. Found a guy looked a lot like me. Then I put on some lingerie and perfume, made myself look like one of these girls. Okay. I thought I looked pretty hot. And then this guy came over and railed the shit out of me. And then I got addicted to that. Some nights 3, 4 guys would come over and rail the shit out of me. Okay. Some I even had to pay. And at the same time, I'd hire an Asian girl to just sit there and watch the whole thing. I'd look in her eyes while some guy was fucking me, and I'd think, I am her. Okay. And I'm fucking me.